It's your boy Rocks in the mix. Driving down the Koro Sea, where the sun starts to set. A beauty and a kindness that you'll never forget. We start up in Nabuna, where the breeze is so sweet. Then down to Tavua, feel the sand on your feet. Nacamaki calling turtles from the deep blue sea. Navaga and Kade, living wild and free. In Vatulele and the spirit stays strong. The Garden Island family, this is where we belong. Noqu Parataisi Vuni, Koro Island, domoni, my hidden paradise in the sun, where the mountains and the sea are one. Koro Island, you're the only one. Cross the mountain ridge to the sunrise side, where the Mudu district people take a holy pride. And Nasau is the heart where the harbor meets the land. Nabasovi and Tuatua, together we stand in Naqaidamu, the grog pouring slow. Sinuvaca and Nakodu, see the emerald glow. Namacu on the shoreline, where the palm trees sway. We're thanking the Creator at the end of the day. Noqu Parataisi Vuni, Koro Island, domoni, my hidden paradise in the sun, where the mountains and the sea are one. Koro Island, you're the only one. Nabuna, Tavua, Nacamaki, Kade, Vatulele, one love, Nasau, Nabasovi, Tuatua, Naqaidamu, Sinuvaca, Nakodu, Namacu, and Mudu village. We are never alone. Hidden paradise, tucked away from the noise, where the simple life brings us the greatest joys. From the volcanic soil to the reef on the floor, Koro Island, we couldn't ask for more. Though the storm